What to do if your tenant does not vacate on their lease end date. As a landlord, it can be frustrating when a tenant fails to vacate a rental property when their lease ends. In Utah, landlords have specific legal procedures they must follow to regain possession of the property. Here are some typical steps. Step 1. Provide a written notice to vacate. This is the first step in regaining possession of your rental property. Under Utah law, landlords must provide tenants with a written notice to vacate at least 30 days before the lease term end date. Step 2. File an unlawful detainer lawsuit. If the tenant does not vacate the rental property on or before the lease expiration date, the next step is to file an unlawful detainer lawsuit. This is a legal action taken by the landlord to regain possession of a rental property. You must provide the following information: the reason for the eviction, a copy of the notice to vacate, and proof that the notice to vacate was served to the tenant, and the amount of rent owed, if any. Step 3. Attend the eviction hearing. After the tenant has been served with the summons, a hearing will be scheduled. This is the opportunity for the landlord to present evidence in court and argue for their case of eviction. Step 4. At last, regain possession of your rental property. Once the eviction has been granted and the right of restitution has been issued, landlords can work with the constable or sheriff's deputy to regain possession of the rental property. This constable or sheriff's deputy will serve the writ of restitution to the tenant and provide them with a specific deadline to vacate the property. If they do not, by the deadline provided, the constable or sheriff's deputy can physically remove them and any other personal property from the rental. The locks would also be changed at this time. Do you need help navigating through an eviction process? Contact Wolfnest today to help us help you with your troublesome tenants.